Principal ma'am, teachers, parents, all my dear friends. Today is 26th January. Today we celebrate our Republic Day. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is national festival of India. This is a very special day for all Indians. On this day in 1950, our country is celebrating its 77th Republic Day. I love my country very much.